Preparing for the unexpected. NASA's hypothetical scenarios. When it comes to the vastness of space, surprises can be unwelcome guests. Asteroids, those celestial wanderers, pose a potential threat to our planet. To prepare for this, NASA devises hypothetical scenarios that mimic real-life asteroid threats. These scenarios are carefully crafted stories. They detail the discovery of a fictional asteroid on a collision course with Earth. These fictional asteroids are often described as being hundreds of feet wide. Scientists assign a probability of impact, adding to the realism of the exercise. The scenarios then outline potential impact zones, which could include densely populated areas or vast oceans. These scenarios are not meant to cause panic. Instead, they serve as training grounds for scientists, engineers, and policymakers. By working through these scenarios, NASA aims to develop effective protocols and communication strategies. The goal is to be ready to respond swiftly and decisively should a real asteroid threat emerge. Joining forces, planetary defense exercises, and global collaboration. Protecting our planet from asteroid impacts is not a one-man job. It requires global cooperation and coordination on an unprecedented scale. To foster this collaborative spirit, NASA conducts planetary defense exercises every 2 years. These exercises bring together experts from around the world. Scientists, policymakers, and disaster response agencies gather to simulate a real-life asteroid emergency. During these exercises, participants work together to assess the threat posed by the hypothetical asteroid. They analyze its trajectory, size, and potential impact. Based on this information, they develop strategies for mitigating the risk. This could involve deflecting the asteroid or preparing for a potential impact. These exercises are invaluable for building relationships and improving communication channels among different organizations. They also highlight the importance of international cooperation when it comes to planetary defense. After all, an asteroid impact is a global threat that requires a global response. Deflecting the threat strategies for protecting Earth. Imagine an asteroid hurtling towards Earth. What can we do? Thankfully, scientists have been working on strategies to deflect asteroids and prevent a catastrophic impact. One approach is spacecraft reconnaissance. This involves sending a spacecraft to study the asteroid up close. The spacecraft would gather vital information about the asteroid's size, mass, composition, and trajectory. Armed with this knowledge, scientists on Earth can refine their models and develop more effective deflection strategies. Another strategy is the kinetic impactor. This involves slamming a spacecraft into the asteroid at high speed. The impact would transfer momentum to the asteroid, slightly altering its trajectory. Over time, this small nudge can make a significant difference, steering the asteroid away from Earth. This technique was successfully demonstrated by NASA's DART mission in 2022. The mission successfully altered the orbit of the small asteroid Dimorphos. Eyes on the Sky NEOS Surveyor and the quest for early detection. To effectively deflect an asteroid, we need time. Time to study it, time to plan a mission, and time to carry out the deflection. This is where early detection comes in. The sooner we can spot a potentially hazardous asteroid, the better our chances of mitigating the risk. To bolster our early warning system, NASA is developing the NEOS Surveyor telescope. This space-based infrared telescope is designed to hunt for near-Earth objects, including potentially hazardous asteroids. What makes NEOS Surveyor unique is its ability to spot asteroids that are difficult to detect from Earth. It can even find asteroids that are hidden in the glare of the sun. Scheduled for launch in 2027, NEOS Surveyor is expected to significantly enhance our ability to detect and track potentially hazardous asteroids. This advanced warning system will give us more time to react and take appropriate measures to protect our planet. The knowledge gained from NEOS Surveyor will be crucial in our ongoing efforts to safeguard Earth from cosmic threats.